See me, see profit. See me, see profit. Yeah. This one was a manual trade, okay, on BTC. Manually traded. So, check this out. So far, for now, I can say 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, I made $3,346. I've not yet closed this trade, so yeah. Today's profit so far with the 2 EAs that I bought from Sergey Ivanov is $508 point something, 0.61. Yeah, only made by the EA, only made by the EAs. These 2 EAs combined, yeah, because the other one he said is not yet selling it to other people. So I had the privilege to buy it. So definitely what others are testing is this one. Yeah, is this one. So, and then there are so far all the people who follow the simple instructions are making moolah. They are making money. That's what is beautiful about it. So that's it. With a 2K deposit, I made within 3 weeks 3,900. I think. Let me close this one. It will make 4,000. Yeah, this one was my manual trade. So I've definitely made it. Double profit. Hey yo, hope you're doing great and then having a nice Thursday. What is it? Okra, right? How about this leaf of cassava? How about this one? This pepper. Yo, so today we are trading on a Profem account, okay? So there are EAs which are not made for Thursdays and Fridays. Yeah, and then there are EAs which are made for such days where market moves like something, especially when there are news. So one of these of those EAs are the Gold Money Maker A Plus and the Gold Money Maker AI. The AI Plus and then the AI. So these 2 EAs were able to make let me see, 2,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7, 8, 9, almost 9,000, and the rest of the EAs on this account were able to make 500 something. So these 2 EAs are really brutal on the gold move, which has reached again today its highest level in history. Yeah, that was what we were expecting for gold to go such high. So definitely we made something out of this. So the Gold Money Maker AI is again made by Sergey Ivanov. So that's it. You already know where you have to go and get yours. I got my copy since last week, so making something out of it. Yeah, so if I was trading on a small account, it was going to choose how do we say, a lot smaller than this. Yeah, depending on the level of risk, because you have moderate risk, low risk and high risk. So that's it. This one is on the default. I didn't even use any set file on the default setting, and then it's